Purchasing real estate is one of the most significant financial decisions many people will make in their lifetime. Whether you're buying a home for yourself, an investment property, or a vacation home, the process can be exciting and rewarding. However, it can also be fraught with pitfalls. To avoid costly mistakes that could lead to financial setbacks, it's important to be well prepared and well informed. In this video, we'll discuss the top 10 mistakes to avoid when buying real estate in the US to ensure a smooth and successful purchase. 1. Not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. One of the biggest mistakes homebuyers make is failing to get pre-approved for a mortgage before they start shopping for a home. Without pre-approval, you may waste time looking at properties outside your budget, or you may find a property you love only to discover you don't qualify for the financing. Pre-approval provides you with a clear understanding of how much you can borrow, which helps streamline the home buying process. It also makes you a more attractive buyer to sellers, as it demonstrates you are financially capable of making a purchase. 2. Overlooking the total cost of ownership. Many homebuyers focus only on the upfront costs, such as the down payment and mortgage payments, but there are many other ongoing expenses to consider. These include property taxes, homeowners insurance, maintenance costs, utilities, and homeowners association (WA) fees. Failing to account for these additional expenses can lead to financial strain down the road. Be sure to calculate the full cost of homeownership, not just the price of the property itself, to ensure you can comfortably afford the property in the long term. 3. Skipping the home inspection. A home inspection is a critical step in the buying process, as it helps uncover potential issues with the property, such as structural damage, mold, plumbing issues, or outdated electrical systems. Skipping the inspection or opting for a cheap, subpar inspector may result in missed problems that could become expensive repairs later. Always hire a qualified inspector and take their report seriously before making a final decision. 4. Ignoring the neighborhood. While you may be focused on the house itself, it's equally important to pay attention to the neighborhood. The location can affect your property's value, future appreciation, and your overall quality of life. Consider factors such as crime rates, school districts, accessibility to work, public transportation, and nearby amenities like parks and shopping centers. Visit the neighborhood at different times of the day and week to get a feel for the area before committing to a purchase. 5. Failing to budget for repairs and renovations. Many first-time buyers assume that the property will be perfect once they move in, but this is rarely the case. You may need to budget for repairs or renovations, even in a newly constructed home. It's wise to set aside funds for unforeseen costs, such as replacing old appliances, repainting, or repairing the roof. Having a financial cushion for repairs helps you avoid putting your finances in jeopardy should an issue arise after the purchase. 6. Underestimating the importance of a good agent. Real estate agents can be invaluable resources during the home buying process. They have in-depth knowledge of the market, local neighborhoods, and the buying process. Trying to go through the process without the help of a qualified agent can lead to missing out on important information or opportunities. A good agent will help you navigate negotiations, handle paperwork, and ensure that you're not overlooking critical details. It's important to find an agent with experience in the area where you're buying and who understands your needs. 7. Failing to research the market. Real estate markets can vary significantly depending on location, timing, and even the specific property type. Failing to research the market before purchasing can result in overpaying for a property or buying in an area that's likely to see declining property values. Investigate recent sales of comparable homes, comps, as well as long-term trends in the area. A solid understanding of the market will help you make a well-informed offer and avoid getting caught up in a bidding war that could push you beyond your budget. 8. Overextending your budget. It's tempting to stretch your budget when you find a home you love, especially in a competitive market. However, buying a property that's at the upper end of your financial capacity can lead to future stress and financial instability. It's essential to stay within your budget to ensure that you can comfortably cover the mortgage, taxes, maintenance, and other costs without putting undue pressure on your finances. Lenders may approve you for a higher loan amount than you should take on, so it's important to set a realistic limit based on your personal financial situation. 9. Not considering future resale value. When purchasing a home, it's important to think about its resale potential. Even if you plan to live in the property for many years, circumstances can change. Factors such as the home's location, size, condition, and proximity to schools, public transportation, and job opportunities can affect its future resale value. Avoid buying in a neighborhood with declining property values or an area with limited demand for housing. Make sure the property has features that would appeal to a wide range of future buyers. 10. Skipping the closing process details. The closing process involves numerous legal and financial steps, including signing contracts, reviewing terms, and finalizing financing. Many buyers make the mistake of rushing through this stage or failing to fully understand the documents they're signing. Be sure to review all closing documents carefully, ask questions, and make sure there are no unexpected fees or surprises. If you don't understand a document, seek clarification from your real estate agent or a legal professional before proceeding. Buying real estate is a complex process that requires careful consideration and planning. By avoiding these top 10 mistakes, such as failing to get pre-approved, overlooking hidden costs, and skipping essential inspections, you can make more informed decisions and ensure a successful purchase. Take the time to do thorough research, budget properly, and seek expert advice when needed. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to navigate the real estate market and make a sound investment that will benefit you in the long term.